All right. Malo just came in, and look at the car she's driving. I mean, look at this. That's your ride?
Really?
That's your ride?
Yeah,
That's so cool. So I was sitting in the back, and we're gonna make a vlog about it. It's gonna be cool. How are you feeling?
Heel goed. Heel
Okay.
goed.
All right. Let's do it. There. All right. We're almost there. Oh. Now this isn't even a good part. Look at this. Look at this.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat of...
That was ridiculous. That was ridiculous. That didn't work at all. All right, first location is done. We're going to the next location. Let's go. And I forgot to say, here are the photos. Go check them out. Everywhere on screen. Click and click. Edit that.
Hour of the club, playing soul on the weekends, stayed in bed till Wednesday.
We have arrived at location number 2. This check changes so fast. So we're aiming for golden hour. Have you seen the photos? I mean, they look great. It's our first time. That was great. Dying for bookings. Mail. Subscribe if you haven't already. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Ga eens dichter bij het ding. Dichter bij het ding. Nu, mooi bezig. Nog mooi. Oh, that's my hand again. Wow. Ik doe het opnieuw. That was awkward as hell. Have you seen? This is the location. I mean, this is the location. Seriously, here's the bags, here's the outfits and stuff. That is the location. That's the magic of photography.
You did a great job.
Are you smiling? Are you smiling? I can tell you're smiling. Because I have a display over here. I'm kidding. Mooi. Is my ass showing? Good. Because I don't want you laughing at my ass crack. Ain't that like the worst looking part of a man? Like it's man crack?
Yeah.
Back to B-roll. This is how it looks, guys. B-roll ninja. Yeah, that was ridiculous. Alright, it's a wrap, guys. This has been super fun. And alright, I hope you enjoyed this. Check out the photos. Follow me on the gram. Sub if you haven't already. Jazeker. Tada.